I know seniors have troubles with computers. We are here to help you. Computer Joe here. Seniors, are you having trouble? I know carrying a computer is too hard for you. I know you're having trouble with connecting different cables to the computers. We are here to help you. What differentiates any computers from the competition? Options. We provide options. We buy, sell, trade. We work on both Mac and PC. We do on-site services. We're a one-stop shop. Come on down. The computers, 619-656-6606. We provide pickup and delivery service for your needs. Give us a call.